Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, on Route 95 towards Florida. So I figured I'd make some videos for you. And today is the December 21st, and there are just 20 days to the end of 2019, and there is a race against the clock in Tesla world to produce and deliver as many Tesla cars as possible. Model S, Model X, Model 3, of course, which is the most popular one. And the reason is anyone who gets their Tesla before the end of the year, gets it physically, not buys it and pays for it, gets it physically in their hand, they can apply and receive, if they're eligible, of course, to get the $7,500 incentive, the federal tax incentive, because Tesla already passed the limit of 200,000, and it continues until the end of the year, the end of the second quarter after they finish, and that's it. And there it goes by half for another 6 months, and then it goes again by another half for another 6 months, and then it's done. However, I have to say that I did some research. I did a little bit of reading, and there are a lot of states who offer a lot of other incentives, independent of the federal government. So, for example, my state, New Jersey, offers no sales tax on electric cars. California offers $2,500 extra, and PG&E in California offer another $800. In the state of Connecticut, you get another incentive of $2,000. In the state of Massachusetts, $2,000. States of Colorado, $5,000. That is incredible. In Pennsylvania, it's $1,700, and on and on and on we go. And according to Bloomberg News, the rate of production and delivery is going obviously to break all records of electric car sales in the history of electric cars. So what is Tesla already has achieved is unbelievably staggering, but we will wait until beginning of January to see the final numbers of how many were produced and delivered in the third quarter, and how many delivered for the entire 2018 year, which is just been a banner year, an incredible year on all kinds of accounts in terms of adoption, deliveries, production of people who are buying these cars. It's unbelievable. I'm just driving now, like I said, a 1,200 miles road trip to Florida, stopping every 150, 170 miles or so to charge, and to see so many Tesla cars on the road. It's unbelievable. You won't believe how many of these Tesla cars of all kinds are on the road, and obviously the Model 3 being the most popular one. So all right, so that's the news for today. Please subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And if you are into buying a Tesla, please use my link below. And I'll see you tomorrow with another episode.